Welcome to a Traceable Products instructional video for the Traceable Refrigerator Freezer Ultra Thermometer. In this video, we're going to learn how to view the min and max temperature, how to clear the min and max temperature, and how to clear the min or max temperatures individually. For the best learning experience, we recommend that you have your thermometer handy so you can follow along. Let's get started. Viewing your min and max temperature. Let's start off by locating the mode button on the center of your device. This will be the only button we'll be using for this tutorial. Press the mode button until your screen displays the words min and max as shown here. Once you see the min and max on your device, you're all done. You're now viewing the min and max on your device. Clearing your min and max. Now that we know how to display your min and max, it's time to learn how to clear them. For this lesson, we're going to use the mode button and the memory clear button located on the front of your device. Let's get started. First, press the mode button on the front of your device until your screen displays the words min and max as shown. Once you see the words min and max on your screen, press the memory clear button on the front of your device once. Once you've done this, your min and max temperature will change to your current temperature, indicating that you've successfully cleared your min and max. Clearing your min and max individually. For your last lesson on min and max, we're going to learn how to clear the min or the max individually. To do this, we're going to use the mode button on the front of your device. And we're also going to use the min and max buttons located on the back of your device. Let's get started. First, press the mode button on the front of your device until your screen displays the words min and max as shown, just like before. Now, turn your device around and locate the min and max buttons on the back of your thermometer. Pressing the min button will clear the min memory only, and pressing the max button will clear the max memory only.